Okay. Do we have water? Can someone grab water in the back? For babies.
Animals, trap, trap, trap till the cage is full. The cage is full, stay awake in the dark, count mistakes. The light was off, but now it's on, searching the ground for a bitter song. The sun is out, the day is new, everybody's waiting on you, and you've got time. You've got time. Think of all the roads, think of all their crossings. Taking steps is easy, standing still is hard. Remember all their faces, remember all their voices. Everything is different the second time around. The cage is full, stay awake. It was 4:30 a.m. when we became the human barrier between the Slaughterhouse truck and Halstead packing house. The eyes of the goats, sheep, and pigs trapped inside were dark and pleading. Our hands trembled as we squeezed water into their thirsty mouths. Water dripped down their snouts as they fought for each sip. The stench of urine and neglect stung our nostrils. Our cameras flashed inside the crowded cavern to reveal the individuals who were hours away from slaughter. Shit and vomit smeared across the walls. Many lay limp in their own waste. They bawed and they squealed, softly pleading to the sleeping city of Chicago, a city that would consume their corpses the very next day, without ever knowing their faces or their voices. But we remember their faces, and we remember their voices. Today we are here to lift them up and say no more. The violence stops here. There is no justice here, so there is no peace. We, standing here today, are not among the sleeping in Chicago. We are awake, and we will not be silent. We will be the ones to march down the streets. We are the ones to demand all slaughterhouses be shut down, and we are the ones to plant seeds of compassion and love for all beings on this planet, and to end speciesism and plant the flag to demand animal liberation now. Animals, trap, trap, trap till the cage is full. The cage is full, stay away in the dark, count mistakes. The light was off, but now it's on, searching the ground for a bitter song. The sun is out, the day is new, and everyone's waiting on you, and you've got time. You've got time. You've got time. Think of all the roads, think of all their crossings. Taking steps is easy, standing still is hard.
Miss one. Still alive back here.
I had to take her back to where I got her from.
Can we take her?
Can we take her?
Can we please take her?
Really? Even though she's kind of dying right now?
Can we please just take her?
No, she's sick.
With her? We'll take her to a vet. Can we take her? Can we please take her?